Hey guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to get free Tinder Gold. This method is simple to do and works forever, and you will be able to use Tinder Gold for free forever, and it comes with all the paid features as well, which is amazing. So instead of wasting $20 a month or more, let me show you guys how to get it for free, because I'm going to show you how to get free. So let me show you all how to do this, because I'm going to show you a simple trick which you can use to get $1,000 onto your Cash App, PayPal, Visa, or Amazon gift card all from your phone, and then you use the money from that to buy whatever you want. In this case, get free Tinder Gold. So let me show you guys all how to do this now. Also, the way I stumbled upon this was through Reddit. I saw someone post a thread asking others what's a really good online hustle to make lots of money, and people in the comments were talking about this site called leveluptask.com as one of the ways they earned tons of money online that was also easy to do. And they said it's definitely one of the best ways to make money currently. So I will now show you guys how to claim your money from leveluptask.com the easiest way possible. All you want to do is go to leveluptask.com on your phone or a mobile device. You can't claim the money on a PC, so you must do it on your phone. Anyways, once you're on leveluptask.com, you can see before we get started that they are very legit. They have tons of Trustpilot reviews, which you can see for yourself. Also, they have their Telegram group and Instagram on the site, so you guys can check those out as well. And they post proof of payment, so everything is completely legit. Also on the site, they have a full video explaining exactly what to do and all the full steps, so if you get confused, you will be able to watch that, along with all of their text instructions they have as well. But anyways, guys, to get started, we are just going to click the continue button. Now once we are here, it's going to take us to the beginning of the questionnaire. Now all we have to do is start answering the questions and make sure to answer them honestly. Then it's going to ask you to enter your email. Make sure you enter your real email, as this is where they will be sending you your reward and communicating with you. So if you put in a fake email, you won't be able to get your money reward. Anyways, just keep answering the questions they ask. Also, if your questionnaire doesn't look exactly like mine, that's completely fine as well. It might just mean you're from a different country than me, so it might look a bit different. Just fill it out. In the end, you will also get your money as well. But yeah, just keep filling out the questions. I know it might seem a bit boring, but in the end it will be worth it because you actually get the money. Anyways, once you get through all the questions, you will get to a part that takes you to a deal section. What you have to do is complete the deals that it shows here. Some of them are pretty easy and just want you to install a game or app on your phone and do a task on it or sign up for a trial. Just go ahead and do them. And the more deals you do, the higher your payment will be. So that's why you should just do them. Anyways guys, after you do the deals, that's when you will claim your money. So I'm going to go ahead and do all the deals now and show you guys what happens after and if I wind up getting paid and stuff. So let me do them now and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back and I've done the deals. Now it redirected me back to leveluptask.com and it's telling me congratulations and that I've done all deals. So now it's asking for me to enter my PayPal, Cash App, or if I want to claim it another way, I will enter my Cash App because I want it there. So after entering my Cash App, I'll go into my app and see if I received it. Yep, as you guys can see, it worked and we received the money. Now you can use this money to buy whatever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any questions, let me know down below.